go. We are about done with this. As you can see, I put some stickers on this, and the way I did it is I take a watercolor pencil and I dip it in water so that it's actually turning to paint as I move it. And then it's just a matter of flicking like that. See? Just like that. And when I do that, instant cactus thorns. There we go. There. And one more for good measure. Now, in dealing with the base, okay, I've got some blue and I got some brown. Okay, and we're just going to come right down here, right around the base. And we're just going to throw a cast shadow like that. Okay. And then we're just going to come in to a little bit of the nice other color, the kind of sienna-y, just like that. Okay, we'll take it right up here. There we go. And we can call our painting finished. Very, very nice painting, very quick, very easy painting to do. And I encourage you to go ahead, get your gear out if you're painting along, and have at it, okay? Why don't you do that? And let me know how your painting comes out. Alrighty, so now, tomorrow we'll start on a new series. I'm glad you've been with me through this. It's been quite fun to do, okay? So, until we meet again tomorrow, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the link so you get all notifications, tell folks about us, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.